Today we are doing smoked corned beef and cabbage. It's going to be a very simple recipe with onions, red potatoes, garlic, black pepper, beef broth, and the seasoning package from our corned beef. So the first thing we're going to do today is put some garlic on our corned beef, then some black pepper. Then we're going to flip it and put garlic and black pepper on the meat side. And then we got our seasoning package from the corned beef, and we're going to put that on the meat side also. We got our grill warming up. We're going to smoke this at 250 degrees until it reaches 165. We got our Dutch oven. We got a rack that we're going to sit on top of the Dutch oven. That way we can collect any of the drippings from the corned beef as it cooks. Again, smoking it at 250 till it reaches 165. And while that's doing its thing, we're going to get our red potatoes washed up, get our onions cut and our cabbage cut, get everything prepared to put it in the pot. And the cabbage we're just going to cut up into quarters. Our corned beef has made it to the 165. So we're going to get it off the top of our Dutch oven, set it to the side. And then we're going to start filling up our Dutch oven. We're going to put the onions down first. Then we'll put our corned beef on top of the onions. And then we're going to pour in our beef broth. And now we're going to fill up the rest of it with our red potatoes and our cabbage. And we're going to turn the smoker up to 275. And now we're going to cook our corned beef until it reaches about 205 degrees. All right, we got it all done. We're at about 205 degrees on the corned beef. Now we're going to set everything out. I can tell you this smells great. It looks great. Let's get this corned beef out of here and slice it up and see what it looks like. Again, this is a very easy recipe. The corned beef, the little package that comes in the corned beef, your cabbage, onion, garlic, black pepper, and beef broth. That's all it took. Again, we smoked it, the corned beef itself, at 250 till it got to 165. Then we put everything in the Dutch oven and cooked the corned beef. We smoked it, turned up the smoker to 275 and cooked it till it got to internal temperature about 205 degrees. This turned out great. We loved it. So go out there, grab your family, grab some friends, get on the grill because everything's better together.